Hello, my name is Nick. I'm the Master Tech inspecting your vehicles. I want to take a moment and go over it with you. Starting with the right rear tire. This tire is at 5 millimeters, which is a pass measurement. Going across the rear suspension, everything looks fine. No signs of any fluid leaks in the rear disc. Left rear tire, this tire is at 5.5 millimeters, which is a pass measurement. Rear brakes on the vehicle are at 9 millimeters, which is a pass measurement. Going underneath the vehicle, no signs of fluid leaks from the transmission area, no signs of fluid leaks from the engine area. Right front tire on the vehicle is at 5 millimeters, which is a pass measurement. Left front tire on the vehicle is at 5.5 millimeters, which is a pass measurement. Front brakes on the vehicle are at 5 millimeters, which is a caution measurement. We are recommending replacing them. The vehicle will need brakes soon. Looking under the hood of the vehicle, I wanted to talk to you about the reason the vehicle was here today. So the water pump has failed, and that is the reason that you've been getting the overheat warnings. So we do need to replace the water pump, and because of the overheat, that has caused damage to the thermostat. So we need to replace the water pump and the thermostat for that concern. Other than that, the vehicle looks like it's due for a little bit of maintenance. Vehicle's due for a vehicle check and a brake flush. Other than those things, vehicle's in great shape. You should be hearing from your advisor shortly.